Hi, Maddie. This is Maddie during the 2009 blizzard. She does not like the snow. She's trying to eat it. Well, no, she's found eating it to be quite enjoyable. Don't eat the yellow snow, Maddie. Whee. That's her potty patch, such as it were. Here she decides to use it. She's still busy eating snow. What are you eating? Never mind, oh, for Pete's sake. I don't think I want to know. But, for size reference, yeah. The snow's about as big as she is. Maddie! Oh. My goodness. It's still stalling. She is not pleased. She is wondering how exactly she is expected to go outside in this nonsense. Look at her little paw prints. They're so cute. Up, up. She wants back inside.